I tried to catch fog yesterday. Missed. You're welcome.
So we're going to cut out this bottom plate here because the door is going to be installed shortly. Sunday, I think, or in a few days anyway. So I'll attempt to.
Yeah, let's see what you got. Oh my goodness.
Nothing? We'll be here forever if I'm doing this.
Yeah, it's looking that way.
I'm doing all right. I put a dent in it.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Look
at me go.
I can see all the blades being eaten up in the concrete here soon.
And or the rocks.
Hey, you got it started. You got about an 1/8 of an inch cut.
Almost cut my fingers right square off. Note to self, don't grab it at the bottom.
You try going back and forth? No? No? All right.
No. I've done pretty good.
I'm going to go in and have another coffee. Oh, there go the blades.
Gee, I'm doing all right, though.
Yeah.
Minus the rock hitting. I'm getting pretty deep.
And you almost got her.
I know. I'm impressed. Feel the burn.
Getting warm, eh?
Yeah. Try not to drag it across the rocks.
This here's a whole video in itself.
How to cut like a real woman.
Yeah.
You know what? Don't copy me. I think I'm almost there.
Nice.
When I start hitting cement, I know I'm there, I suppose.
Yeah, I guess so. As soon as you wreck all the teeth, you're done.
Yeah. No, not there yet. My self-reliance, you got nothing on me.
Oh my goodness. There's actually a rock stuck in there.
Is it really?
Maybe not.
No. We use all hand tools too. Oh, I'm cutting cement.
Nice.
I did it! I did it! Victory!
He probably got a crew that shows up off camera though.
I don't.
Hey.
I did that myself.
I'm just kidding. Just kidding.
Woman power.
Nobody hate on me, I'm joking.
Yeah. Now it's his turn and he won't do as good of a job as me.
No.
Definitely not. Whatever. That was
Sounded
stupid.
like cement there at the end.
That was crappy and you're crappy.
That was crappy and you suck.
It's gone. Good teamwork there, I'd say.
Oh yeah. That's about $100 worth of wood right there.
You're right.
Maybe more.
You're right. Somebody want to
Let's
buy
treat
it?
it lumber.
I'll send that to you in the mail.
Hey?
Yeah.
Hey, anybody want to buy this? Get a discount right now, $99.99.
Yeah. Plus shipping.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Plus shipping. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I can cut it up into small pieces for you though.
Yeah. That's good. Then you got to charge by the hour for that.
Oh yeah, right. You do that.
Oh, round two.
I'm going back and forth a little bit this time. It's harder. How do you do that? Oh, I'm not doing a good job when I do it that way.
This literally could be an entire episode.
A day in the life of Ashley Lewis. Okay. Yeah. Gee. This is how we do it here.
It's like you're slicing cake.
Come on, I gotta get the rhythm. Damn it, I can't. There's something wrong with this saw. Oh yeah, feel that. There you go. Come on, baby.
Work it!
Yes! Come on, I'm so close. No. Damn it. So close. Dang me.
Hang me, dang me, they ought to take a rope and hang me high from the highest tree.
Do you think I'm on the cement?
Oh, over here you're not done on
No.
this side. You're close.
Oh yeah, I'm on it now.
Yeah.
Heard it, yeah.
All right.
All right, you're doing the next one. Oops, shouldn't do that.
We'll need another saw for each door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Seems real now. Yay!
Oops. Well, that looks right.
Love it. It's real great. You can walk in and out of the door. Open. Oh, I love it. So I think we've already mentioned before, but that is the garage door down there under the plywood, and we have someone coming to professionally install it in just a few days. So we're really excited about that. We're going to add the header, the one more header, knock off this brace, and now that I worked with my extremely strong muscles and cut out the bottom plate,
You could knock
we're
off
just
that
about ready.
brace now.
Yeah, I guess we could. Get the
There's
hammer.
really no need for it.
I have my hammer right here anyway.
There you go. Another
Here you go. Bonus, everybody. I cut some stuff and now I'm going to hammer some stuff.
Another
Tim
hour
the
and a
tool
half.
man.
Hey, another hour and a half of that.
I'm the Tim the tool man Taylor woman version.
You're Heidi.
Heidi.
Does everybody know what time it is?
Hi, Tim the Tool Man Taylor.
Did she even do anything though other than bring him tools?
Yeah, she probably did something. I can't remember. Oh boy. You're going to get that in the head, probably.
Really?
Way to catch it.
Yeah, maybe that's a good idea.
Oh, my land. Wow.
Don't worry, we're almost there.
Yeah. That felt all kinds of sketchy.
Yeah. Done. So as we mentioned before, we got a whole half cow from a farm not too far away. So this is our deep freeze that it's in, but we don't have electricity. So we've been using this, the Bluetti. This 1,000-watt portable power station with a built-in inverter. So it's awesome. We love it. And it runs the deep freeze. It's kept the meat, we've had the meat over a week now. It's kept it all cold. And today I'm cooking some of that meat on the crock pot. So we also have that plugged in to the Bluetti. Cooking here on my crock pot. So this is it. That's just the power cord plugged in there. So it shows you it's using 208 watts, 207. That's the slow cooker and the deep freeze on it right now. So that's awesome. And it has lots more power that can be used. So you have the DC here. You can also plug USBs in so you can charge a whole bunch of things. It's really awesome. On the back here is where you plug in your AC. So I just have an extension cord right there running. And here's the end of it. So I got my deep freeze plugged in here and my crock pot plugged in there. It's awesome. I love this thing. So if you're interested in one of these portable power stations, they're super convenient to have off-grid or camping, hunting, traveling, anything like that. You can find all the information in the links below. So since yesterday was such a success, we decided to let the chickens out again today. At what age do you tell your child that the rooster isn't actually trying to get a piggyback from the hens? I'm not sure. As for now, she just thinks he's getting a piggyback. She's a good chicken shepherd. Well, don't scare her like that, my land. If you run at her, you're just going to scare her. Gee. She's... Oh, okay. Suppose you know what you're doing.